Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝚉𝚐𝚍 So today's video, I am gonna go ahead and share with you guys my review for BoxyCharm, and I'm actually super excited for this box because you guys already know that I get excited when I get a monthly subscription box every single month. So for today's month, I have to say that I am very happy with this box. It actually comes a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna go and show you what I got. I will be trying some of the products. So I already did my eyebrows, my foundation, so we're gonna go ahead and try them on. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you for your support, and also don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoy these videos, so that way I know which videos I should do more often. And also don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. So let's go on. Okay, so like I told you guys, I am gonna go share with you guys the items that I got from BoxyCharm. This is for the month of October. So first they will give you this little like flyer, and I did get the box number 62, and this is like a candy shop boxy theme, so it's very nice. I was like, I wonder what we're gonna be getting, but this is actually what we're gonna be getting for this one. So okay, so let's go on. So the first thing I'm gonna be showing you this one. This one, it is like a glow primer that you apply before you put your foundation and everything. And this is from the brand Rodeo. And so this one, I have not tried this. I forgot to use this before I apply my foundation, which I'm sorry guys, I apologize for that, but I was actually, you know, looking forward to try this, and I have to tell you that this is the second time that I get a product from them. The first one I got a mascara from the Try Beauty box, and this is the second time I get with this brand. So let's go and open this up. And it actually looks amazing. I love the color, and yeah, it's pretty much like a glow primer, and I love the color, and it actually smells really good as well. Yeah, it smells like shampoo type of thing. I don't know, but it smells really good, and I will probably just try this tomorrow. Okay, so the other thing that I also got this one, which is the Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter. So this is how it looks like. So this is pretty much like a cheek trial that will have the highlighter, the cheek, the blush, and the bronzer. So yeah, it actually looks amazing. It has a mirror, which is like kudos for them. But yeah, this is how it looks like. And I have not applied anything on my cheeks, so I'm gonna go to try this on real quick. And I actually like this color. It's not like too reddish, but it's not too bright. So let's see how this goes. It's very nice. I actually like this, and I like how everything is all in one little palette. So yeah, this is pretty nice. And this one, let's see how much this costs. Okay, so for this one, this is the Real Her. So this one is actually $28. So this is not bad at all. So I will most definitely buy this again if I run out of it. But yeah, $28 is not that bad. Okay, so the next thing that I also got an eyeshadow palette from 𝚕𝚏𝚑, and this is actually very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this actually looks inside. This is the editor palette. I am so obsessed with eyeshadow palettes. Like, it just makes me really happy to get one. And I'm already having my collection of palettes from different brands, so and yeah, it's just amazing and I love them. They all have different colors and stuff like that, so this one is actually very amazing. I love the colors. It does have like a fall looking color, so look how amazing the look. It does have a mirror, like you guys know, this is very important for me. So look at the color, they're actually very pretty, and some of them are flat, some of them have like it's shimmery. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a really quick makeup eyeshadow look for this with this palette. So let's go on and see where this will take us. So first I am gonna be using the flat color. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on the top. And I'm thinking that I might end up using like all these 3 colors right here. And I'm gonna use the coral. I think it's like the coral color, something like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the outer part of my eye. Okay, so there we go. And then the other thing that I'm going to be using, I'm going to go ahead and use my finger, and I'm going to get this gold color right here. I'm going to just apply it in the front. And look how pretty that looks. They are actually very blendable and everything, so I actually love this palette. Obsessed with this. The retail for that palette is actually gonna be $32. So $32 for that one palette. So I don't think it's that bad at all. Okay, so the next thing that I also got, I got a pair of lashes. So this is the lashes that I got, and this is from Lava Lashes LA, Los Angeles. So let me show you what it looks like. It does have a strapping bag. They're not that, you know, dramatic. They're kind of like a simple type looking, but they are kind of long. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. I actually thought that this was glue, but it's not glue. It's just like a piece of paper and telling you how to apply your lashes. So I already know how to apply them. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. But not so bad. I don't hate it. It's not my favorite, but it's really good. I do like it, but it's not like no. But yeah, I do kind of like it, and it's so nice to have lashes in the monthly subscription. Just like you guys know, I like to save up money, but I still want to be able to get little things every single month. So that is the reason why I love subscriptions. So monthly subscriptions, because I like to try new things. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I got for this box of October, I actually got something for my lips. So this is from 𝚤𝚤𝚤, and I have to say this is one of my favorite brand, because I do have some of their lotions. They're actually one of the best lotions that I love, and so I didn't know that they have a lipstick. So this is the lipstick that they have, and this is like a lip butter type of lipstick. So I'm gonna show you how this looks. So this is how it looks. Very cute. It has the logo up there. I don't know if you can see it, but when you open it, this is the actual color for it, but it's not really like that color, you know. So I'm gonna apply this. And it smells really good, just like the lotion, but it smells really good. I think this is something that I will be carrying with me in my purse, because it feels like your lips are gets hydrated right away after you apply it. So I'm actually super excited and happy for this. So I have to tell you guys that this box is maybe one of my best and favorite box. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you how much the lashes are. I forgot to tell you guys. The lashes are actually $19.99, and this actually retails $20. Like $20 for this, and This is the color Teeny Bikini. Very cute. So I like this. So yeah, I am so happy in the way that this actually came out with the cheek trial palette, the eyeshadow palette, the lashes, the lip. I'm so sorry that I didn't get to try this, but I'm pretty sure that this will actually make my face look more glowy. And maybe on my next video I will be trying this, so stay tuned. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm actually so happy to get this box. This may actually be one of my favorite boxes because I actually got a little bit of everything. Normally I would get more skincare types, if you have noticed on my last video. So this box was kind of a little bit different and I like that. So I hope for November, December there's better things coming. So if you are interested in signing up, I will leave the link below, and I actually truly do recommend for you to sign up for this. So it's either you want to try new products, or you want to learn how to do your makeup, or you just like to start your collection. This is a way, and you only pay $25 a month. Okay, so take advantage of it, and I will leave my referral code down below if you want to use that, and that way you're able to get a discount. I'm not sure how that works, but you can use that as well. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, please leave your comment below. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, 𝚕𝚐𝚑 Beauty. And also don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and show your girl some support. And hopefully I can be able to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year or next year. I don't care, but I'm actually doing this for fun. I enjoy this. I feel like this is my time for me, for you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, so please take care of yourself. Try to stay at home as much as you can. Try to keep yourself safe and your family and other people that are maybe at high risk. So take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye.